I've been on top for a while. NASA chip to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom.
So today I'm gonna show you guys how I maintain my brows using Nair. And this is the body Nair because I'm not chemical sensitive. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I lied. I am a little bit, but who cares? The regular face cream by Nair doesn't work for me. The body cream works. So, and I get the aloe vera. So it's not as harsh or whatever. So you want to start off with your spoolie and just brush your eyebrow hairs into place. Some people usually fill their brows in. So you grab some Nair, and I use a Q-tip. You could also use like a flat angled brush so you could get more of a, I guess to be safe. I have a disclaimer before you fucking use this Nair product, okay? If you are chemical sensitive, I recommend to not use it. Use a face cream. See how your skin reacts to it. So I'm just gonna start applying this Nair. And we're gonna do this one brow at a time. I'm not gonna really touch the inside of my brow. Be careful not to get this shit on your lashes. Cause you will be looking like a naked fucking mole rat. Don't say I didn't tell you so. And please, please do not exceed 3 minutes on this because I'm telling you, whether you are skin sensitive or not, you will get a reaction out of this. Let me go ahead into my little unibrow. So once you have your Nair sitting for about 3 to 5 minutes, you want to get a rag and damp it in lukewarm water, and we're gonna see how these babies look. you. Okay. So this is what that looks like. Fuck. So yeah, I took off the first one and it's starting to get a little red. I'm gonna take off the second one. Take off. Yo, I'm so fried. See this one? I feel like I didn't, like, you see that? There's still hair there. I feel like I didn't do, should I go? I don't feel like I should do another thing. But I'm gangster, so I'm doing it. Period.
Fuck that, what the fuck is that? Oh yeah, I don't think that was a good idea, honey. This shit is burning. Nah, this shit is really burning. Like, I'm not even. Why can I talk English? Shit. Fuck. Yeah, I get so aggravated with myself. Because I feel like I speak faster. Oh, I sing faster than I talk. So this one's a little stubborn. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I got these hairs, these stubborn ass hairs right here.
I'm gonna start cutting this excess hair. Now you want to top that off with whatever moisturizer, skin protector you have. I'm gonna use petroleum jelly. I'm sick and tired of myself. So that was basically it. I look like a fucking tomato right now. But that's how you get your fucking eyebrows clean with some nail. Okay. Yeah. These are my final results. I'll probably install some pictures after the redness goes away and shit. From before and after. So, yeah. That's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and turn your notification buttons on. And stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.
I've been on top for a while. Now I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room.